Kaizer Chiefs family, Kaizer Chiefs supporters, thank you for watching the video. But first, namhlanje I have some huge updates on the official announcement of Langelihle Phili, more often official announcement by Kaizer Chiefs, and a brand new target man by Kaizer Chiefs. So, but first, to make sure you stay tuned to the video. Watch the whole video, as usual. Let's jump straight into the video together.
Welcome to the Amakosi Stand podcast, your premier destination for deep analysis and the latest updates on the beautiful game, where every kick tells a story.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand podcast. This is where all the taller corners is. I am your host, Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from Egresa. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new. Like the video, comment down below ngitshela ukuthi ucabangani nge-content enginiphathele lona. Your comments, they are helping me grow bafethu, as we know ukuthi I am a new YouTuber and I am still a young man who's trying to make success through YouTube and social media. So bafethu, your comments are building me. Even though bafethu, and when comment isn't enjana, but I learn from those. Some of you, they always say, because I'm lying. I was talking about Langelihle Phili for days and weeks, and some people were commenting on my video saying, my brother, stop lying and what. Now the deal has happened, and no one will come here and say, actually, you were telling the truth, but it's fine because I'm learning from your comments and I love reading them. So continue commenting below first. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's news. So first, Kaizer Chiefs, as we all know, have officially announced uLangelihle Phili, whom we know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs sacrificed 2 players plus imali ngaphezulu to get this deal done. We all know ukuthi Phiri, he's 21-year-old, he's still young, he's not a complete project yet. So let's try to not go harsh on him because Kaizer Chiefs sacrificed 2 players plus cash to get him. He's a prospect, so he has potential to become a big player. He's only 21 years. So Bafesu, don't do him dirty. He's still a prospect. He will grow at Kaizer Chiefs. He's 21 years old, 72 appearances, Stellenbosch, 11 goals and 2 assists. You still see this guy is still a prospect. So he's not like Abo Sereno. Sereno came in to Kaizer Chiefs and we already knew what kind of player he is. So Abo Langelihle Phili, he is still a prospect. So let's try to protect him, grow him together, and let's try to make him feel welcome with Kaizer Chiefs, and let's try to be different this season. Let's not boo our players, criticize our players every time they miss chances. Let's support our players. Once Kaizer Chiefs sign a player, even if they signed a worst player in PSL, but if Kaizer Chiefs have decided to sign him, let's welcome him. So we welcome uLangelihle Phili to Kaizer Chiefs. Hopefully he will have a good years at Kaizer Chiefs and become one of the best players in South Africa. So namhlanje and Kaizer Chiefs have officially announced the departure of Ogiven Msimango and Ashley Dupree, both as a package to get uLangelihle Phili plus cash. So bafethu, hey, we sacrificed a lot for Phili. Well, you can drop down the comment for me. Do you think this sacrifice is worth it? Do you think Langelihle Phili is worth this much sacrifice from Kaizer Chiefs, or Kaizer Chiefs management were being desperate to get this guy? But you can tell me in the comment ukuthi ucabangani. And Kaizer Chiefs have also have also have also confirmed the exit of Uglodi Lepo. Bafethu, Uglodi Lepo we've been talking about, yabo. And many of you didn't want to believe it because we all loved Ulilebo, but it was a reality. I was trying to emphasize to you guys because Claudio Lilebo will leave Kaizer Chiefs because his agent is one of those agents who are greedy. They don't look at the deal that will help player. They just look at the deal that will get them the money, like bonus signings. Yabo. So the agent of Ulilebo was pushing for the move, pushing for the move. He even wanted to terminate the contract so Lilebo will become a free agent. So we've been talking about dead foot, and some of you guys were trying to fight with this because they thought Claudio Lilebo is not going anywhere. But right now, Kaizer Chiefs has confirmed ukuthi he will be playing Al Ali Benghaz in Libya. So bafethu, we wish him all the best. Good luck to Claudio Lilebo. May he have a good future and good football career. And bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs are not done kwimarket. I told you guys ukuthi iwind lizovala ngoSeptember. Nakhona in the middle of September. So we have like a month and a week or days. So Kaizer Chiefs are still looking to boost their attacking positions. And they are also looking for a defender. Yeah, but I will still confirm that. But I heard some rumors who's defender, what. But what I know right now is that Fernando de Cruz made it clear that he wants 2, if not 3 attackers after signing Ulangelihle Phili. So right now they are looking for another winger, and that's the man that they are targeting right now is Faiz Ibrahim's. He's from Stellenbosch also. He's 21 years old. I don't know much about him, but yeah, if you can go and look for his highlights and stats and everything, you can see okay, he's a good player, he's a right winger. So after signing Phili, who is a left winger, they obviously looking for another right winger to balance things. So yeah, he's 21 years old, currently playing for Stellenbosch. He was also linked with a move to Orlando Pirates and the deal collapsed. I don't know why, but now Kaizer Chiefs have entered the race for the boy, and it seems like a possibility. It seems like he can be our next signing for this transfer window. So Kaizer Chiefs also signing Phili, Faiz Ibrahim's, another 2, if not 1 attacker. If I'm not mistaken, it was linked to ukuthi after 2 wingers, he would want another attacking midfielder and also a striker. So Kaizer Chiefs will be busy trying to fix their front line. So bafethu, I think that's all I have for you today. Please don't stop commenting, even if we are ngxeka, comment down below so I can improve from ukungxeka kwakho and say ukuthi uthini. So the biggest decisions that we have right now is Kaizer Chiefs, or is Langelihle Phili the right man to be wearing jersey number 10, or should the jersey number 10 rest until we get that one person? Or do you see anyone right now in the squad who can wear that jersey number 10 before they reveal it to Phili, if Phili will be wearing the number 10? Do comment down below. Do you think Phili should wear number 10 or sesiyagagamela? Bafethu, ngiyabonga for the support. Thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.